Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Looking for a best productivity tool in 2025, Notion or Clickup? Which one truly fits your workflow? In this video, we will break down features, user experience, pricing, AI tools, and best uses cases to help you decide whether you're a solo creator or managing a large team. This review is for you. Let's dive in. So let's talk about the overview. So if I give you the overview, a short overview for this both platform, the both Notion and ClickUp are all-in-one productivity tools, but their goals differ slightly. Like Notion focuses on flexibility. It's like Lego blocks, great for docs, wikis, personal dashboards, and knowledge management. On the other hand, ClickUp is built for task and project management. Think Asana plus Trello plus Docs all integrated with automation hierarchy. So which one aligns more with your workflow? So let's see. If I just create an account on Notion, so you can go to notion.com and you can get Notion for free by this simply click on this button, or you can get this button here at the top right corner. Now if you click on it, it will ask for login or sign up for a new account. So I have already an account created on Notion, so that's why it has just automatically lead me to my dashboard, so where you can find this type of interface that looking pretty clear to me. On the other hand, if I log into the ClickUp, then get started, it's free button here, so simply click on it and you will be free to use ClickUp. But you have to do is log into your account or create an account if you don't have any account. So here you can see I have just continue with my past account here. So here you can find this dashboard here. You might find it total messy here because I have just added some tasks, but let me show you. It will actually look like this. So when you find it, it will actually look like this. Or you can do is you can find more of them from here. So now from here, if I open the Notion here, now Notion will help you to you can get the help of AI that Notion has. Here it is. Also, ClickUp also has AI that here it is. You can find AI, also some chat agents here, the autopilot agent you can add, and also you can also add some automations. And Notion also supports automation, but that's for Notion. You need some third-party softwares or web application to create some automations with Notion. Now here you can see some features at the left side here, like home. This is your home where you can create tasks here, or you can track them, and from here you can create a subscribe or anything. Like here you can create a new page. Simply click on this new page and here is a new page. And ClickUp also allow you to create a new page by simply click on this plus icon. Here you can find left side rows of options and features that you can go with. So let me introduce with the feature of Notion. So this is for home where you can find all of your projects, and here is, you can see I have created a new page. Here is calendar that you can embed, and also here is the team space. You can make more team space from here by simply click on this add new button. And you can find there are different types of template that you can use. You can simply click on more template and you can use that actually fit with your current task. So you can select a template, or you can create it from scratch. You can simply click on empty page, so it will start from scratch, or you can add an empty database, or you can get the help with AI. So here is the AI with AI. So from here, for example, I'm going to add the task tracker. Now you can do is you can customize the task tracker as you want, like you can update it, add or more of features from here that included in task tracker. It will probably like this. Now simply click on continue. So here you can see it has just added like this. Now you can customize each and every cell that you can see here. So you can double click on it and you can change the text here. You can click on open button and you can find all the related information like the deadline, like the due date, the status, the assignee, also some comments and task description. There is also subtask You can add some subtasks with this main task here. Also you can embed a PDF, connect your Google Drive to Notion to embed a file or embed a Figma here. Now from here you can also create a new one. You can add a new task by simply click on that new button, and also you can name that task here. You can add something or assign some employee of the team. You can add a status from here like done, in progress, or not started. Here is the due date that you can add a deadline, and also you can add some instruction for your team. And here is the description. You can add any description you want. And for example, like two, I'm going to add a test, for example, test. And from here, you can add some subtask here if you want. So just like this, I'm going to add it like for the example. Now here you can see it has just added. Now you can change the task here, the status. You can change it in progress, just like this. Also you can change it to done. And also the priority, you can select it. Also some column here, you can also add some column by simply click on this plus again. So those are pretty much simply all thing about creating a task tracker or any team space or anything. Also you can find the private space here. Also you can click on it and you can create an empty page, and you can do anything. You can create a meeting if you want, so like add it here, and you can download the Notion app. There is an app also available in this page. Now from here, if I just created it, now we can actually drag it here and also plus to add more here. So we can click on plus, we can add more of them. There's lots of options and features to embed code and more of things. Now let's head to the Clickup. Clickup also have lots of ingredients, lots of features that can help you more advancedly manage your task. Like here is some planner. So let me introduce the features. Like planner, you can plan your work just like this according to the date. Here you can find a calendar where you can organize your date for organize your all the tasks according to the date and the time. So here is the specific date and here is the time here. Also you can change it to the monthly like this. Here you can find the month, whole month from this 1 July to the last date of the month. Here it is. So you can add your task according to the date and like this. Also you can find AI note taker. You can use it to take some notes about the task. Now here is the brain where you can create something like create autopilot agent. This is most advanced feature in the Clickup. Also some session here, find my stale task and recap, make a sheet task. This will actually help you. This brain feature will actually help you to get some advanced feature on Clickup. Also you can find more of things like think and create. You can simply click on create. You can create a task, and you can see this is a prompt that added to the Clickup brain, this AI feature. If you just simply click on the send button, then it will create a task for you. So here it looks like incomplete. Could you please provide the details? So here you have to add a detail. So after this, create a task for the detail. So I have just forget to add a detail. So I'm going to add it, for example, the details here. So which list would you like to add the this task here? So you have to set a task from here like team task. So I'm going to set it here, and so there is no team task. Actually I don't have this team task here. So you have to select a task that you have created on your workspace here, or you can find it on your home. So you can find the task here. Here is the team space here. Now from here you can add it. Now here is the docs where you can find that all the docs file where you can find the company wiki and the company home, knowledge base. This all the template that you can use. Also you can open an empty docs that you can create it, or you can create by yourself. And here's the dashboard where you can get all the analytics about the task tracking or the progress your team are doing, or what is the progress right now going on the task or on the project. Also here is a whiteboard that is pretty cool. I think here is a concept map that I like most on this Clickup. That is, you can actually present any complex situation, any complex project or explanation in this flowchart on this whiteboard, where this is pretty cool, and you can actually explain each and every step and their value, what you do, and which step comes after which step. You can select all of this from here and the details. Now here is the forms. You can add forms and clips also. Now goals, here you can set a goals, and you can track how much near you are to your goals. You can set a new goal by simply click on this new button here. Now the timesheet also, you can time management will be easy in this section actually. So this is pretty cool feature that I like too in Clickup. So if I talk about the comparison between these two, as you can see, I have just described this each platform in a nutshell, where you can find this Notion and Clickup how it's work. And there is actually, Notion is pretty simple dashboard which can allow you to manage your project, your team most proficiently. Also, Clickup has some lots of features in one place that can help you to add a professional dashboard for your team, for your project, and you can track each and every step that they are making or you are changing on your task. So the task management and time management, also the AI feature on ClickUp is pretty awesome. And another awesome thing is you can embed or you can integrate with the Microsoft Team, Slack, GitHub, Spreadsheet, Zoom, and Google Drive. Also, you can collaborate with also some third-party website in the Notion. You can add Google Drive, Google Docs, and Google Sheet also, but there is no option to add Microsoft Team or Slack on your Notion. Sorry, Slack is available on Notion. You can go to the Slack and you will be able to add the Notion on your Slack account. Also, you can invite member from here. So all these both platform actually pretty cool. But if you are a beginner, and you want a clean interface, then you should go with this Notion. And Notion is one of the most popular and powerful task management software. And if you are a advanced level task management creator, or you are managing a huge team or a project and you want more feature, lots of feature that you want to set analytics about your team, about the progress, and you want to set a goals, you want to do a perfect time management for your team, so you should go with the ClickUp. So this both platform is good here. So you can see the one by one comparison, and after knowing each and every feature of this both platform, now it's up to you and your situation which one actually pretty suits you. So that's pretty much all thing. Let us know in the comments below which one actually you are going to continue with. Thanks for watching. Till next time.